Welcome. If you want to turn on and customize Always On Display in your VIVO Y72 5G, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Muviz Edge. You have to use this external application from Sparking Labs because in the smartphone we cannot find Always On Display feature as default. When the download is finished, you can open, and then we have to accept permissions. And then just go back, select overlay mode and click to get started. Right now go for the AOD screens, and as you can see, right here we can find few different styles. I think that I'm going to apply this one, so click apply, and if you want to customize you have to click right here. Next we can pick show on the lock screen time. You can also set up the timeout, brightness, close after double or single tap. Also we can close it with fingerprint, the same with the music, notification. Next we can hide music controls, and I'm going to set up never, and status of the battery. Take a look right now. As you can see, we have this cool theme of the screen. When we use fingerprint sensor, we can simply unlock phone or just tap on the screen once. So as you can see, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.